Okay, this video will help you get started with dimensioning this drawing here, 5-11, the safety key, which you've already drawn. Uh, you, if you have any errors in your drawing, you need to go back and correct those before you start it. I'm not going to show you how to dimension the whole thing in the video. I'm just going to show you how to get started and get it set up, okay? Because we're doing this one at a half size. So I've got it all drawn here in model space. I got my center lines in, okay? So if I go to my layout tab, my A size sheet, if you haven't done this from the previous drawing, you need to get that kind of centered up, and we're going to go with a 1:2, and I just want to visually make sure it looks centered. Okay, so that looks, I kind of got equal space up and down, left and right. Okay, maybe I can move it a little bit more over here like this. Okay, so that looks pretty good there. Now I want to lock my viewport and go back to paper space. Okay, so now I'm going to put my dimensioning in here. But before I do that, let's check my line type scale. Because remember, our dashes should be 1/8 inch long. So I'm just going to pop a line in here temporarily. That is 0.2. We'll say 0.2. Let's go to my calculator. And I need a line type scale of about 0.6. So let's go line type scale 0.625. Let's try that one. I didn't get it small enough. Let's just try 0.5. Usually that works with half size drawings. Close enough, 12.4, 12.7. That's close enough. All right, but my center lines, they are not showing up. Let's go back over here to here. They're showing good. Maybe that's my line types. Let me check that. Okay, so let's pop that and go to properties, layer. Oh, that looks good. I guess it's because we have because we're at half size. So let's go into model space here and choose those, and we'll do another 0.5 on those. That took care of everything except for here. Sometimes you just have to play with that line type scale to get it to work right. Now let's pop back up over into paper space. Okay, so that's looking good. Those are kind of small, but I guess it'll work. Okay, so I've got it set up. Of course, you're going to fill in, all of this information down here. Now, on dimensioning this one, I'm going to give you a PDF that shows you what it should look like completed. One word of caution in the textbook, when you look at the top view, it shows a 0.7 dimension, but it's crossing over a 0.50. It's of this information up here in this area. That's in isometric, we kind of have to bend the rules a little bit, but in orthographic dimensioning, never cross a dimension line like that. Always put the dimension somewhere else. And so I'll give you a PDF showing you how this one should be fully dimensioned.